What else do I love about the Chinese and life in China? Vegetables. If you just wander around the streets in China, you always see people selling vegetables. You always see people selling fruit. When they go home, they stop off at one of these street vendors and they buy some apples, or they buy some strawberries, or they buy some green vegetables. You always see Chinese people with plastic bags of fruit and vegetables, not ice cream and not chocolate and not processed trans fats. You see them with real fruit and real vegetables. And it's remarkable. Fruit and vegetables are such a part of the Chinese diet, so integrated into the Chinese diet. Sure, they eat other types of unhealthy food, but they really value fruit and vegetables. In my supermarkets in Japan, every year the fruit and vegetable sections get smaller and smaller. What my parents would have called the crap section, the crap aisles, processed foods, starchy foods, sugary foods, instant foods, those are getting larger and larger. They're spreading. It's like a cancer. The sugar aisles are spreading. The trans fats aisles are spreading. The instant MSG aisles, they're all spreading and spreading and spreading. And what's taking the squeeze is the fruit and vegetable aisles. So for one of these last vignettes, I brought you to just a regular market in Dalian, and the reason I brought you here is a couple of reasons. First of all, to show you what life is like for normal people in normal cities in China, and secondly to show you what it is that people are buying in terms of the food they're buying, the fruit and vegetables they're buying. I mentioned in a previous segment that they are basically great consumers of fresh food and great consumers of fruit and vegetables. And in England in the 60s there were markets, farmers markets, and I know the States, in some parts of the States there farmers markets are quite big. There's a huge produce market where people from all over China have brought their produce for sale, and people come here. It's Sunday, by the way, so people come here the weekend, but it's also pretty busy during the week. And as you will see from what people are carrying, they're not carrying packs of MSG, they're not carrying packs of trans fats, they're not carrying pre-processed donuts, they're carrying fruit and veg to go home and make real food. So I don't know if I'm going to get in because it's kind of packed, but I'll do my best to get in and just wander around a little bit and show you what's going on.
来，就几个4块，这剩4个了呢。
22块3。这块了啊。上来了，